Hello, and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to make your LinkedIn profile private. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn, open it, and after that, go and click on your picture on the top left of the screen. After that, go to Settings. On Settings, go to Visibility. And here, as you can see, there is multiple options, but the option that we need is edit your public profile. And here you will find all the options related to your profile. So if you want to make your profile private, you have just to go into your profile's public visibility and turn it off. And like that, your profile will be private. So the informations about you that will be shared will be very limited. And even if someone will search on you on like Google or whatever search engine, he will not find you. So on LinkedIn, I really don't recommend this because it will limit so much your presence on the platform. So it's better to keep your profile public, but you can limit what people can see from your profile. All the options are here. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel